Hello guys, good morning. I know it's been a while I got to do regular analysis on the market to get the general bias on the general view. Now, this is the volatility 10 index, and we've been on a downtrend for a while. We've been on a downtrend for a while. So, of recent, we've had markets beginning to rally to the upside, and with that move we are expecting that price gets into this zone, which we can call it another block. Let's see on the 8 hour time frame. Let's see, okay, on the daily time frame. Okay, so basically we are expecting price to get at least to this point. So, and inside this point, this is another block that created a drop, which is this one here. So basically at the moment we are looking forward to how we can catch buys into this particular layer. You understand? Then at this point, this is another block which created a drop, and I think price is currently respecting this zone. But I don't expect this zone to hold that much. Yeah, so I don't expect this zone to hold that much. So based on that, we also had this level, which is this point here. So we expected this level to hold and then push to the downside. Price didn't do that. So if we mark it out, we can see that price has broken to the upside, made a retracement, and broken to the broken structure on smaller time frame. So based on this, we could basically be looking out for a new character. So we could basically be looking out for a new character on the smaller time frame. So let's go to the smaller time frame. Now on the smaller time frame here, you can see we have a double bottom. Now there's something that would actually get to stress us. This trade we're about to take now might be a losing trade, but if it's a winning trade, it's gonna be a good one for us. Now the thing is this, for this particular market, yes, it has respected this level of resistance, but the character is already changing, which is an uptrend, because it has broken the structure to the upside and it has begun to break smaller structures to the upside here, and then giving us a double bottom. So those are things we are putting into consideration for our uptrend bias. So we can go to the 1 hour time frame. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we get to look at the market differently. So we were able to catch buys from here into this high, basically not to this point, but at least into this high. And how did we get this buy? So basically we got this buy using the previous market chart. So I first of all looked out on this area here. This area, we saw that price did what? Price rallied to the upside, and then markets came to clear out all these orders here, which created this new fresh order that pushed to the upside and hit TP. So now, based on this particular move, I am expecting that to happen again around here, which is markets coming to clear out this order. Some persons will call it liquidity and all that. So which is markets coming to clear out this order here, and then we expect this zone to make a new rally to the upside, which we will be targeting this high. Now the risk you have to be taking on this particular market has to be, you just have to calculate your risk. That is what will help you a lot. But if you calculate your risk well, then this is going to be a really profitable trade for you. So we mark out this zone. So this one, let me put, for this I will change this, and So I will basically be picking the, okay, we've picked the other block. So we've picked the other block. So this is where we're expecting price to react from. And for me, I'll be going in with a buy limit. Now, I would love to refine my entry to the 5 minutes time frame, but I mean to the 15 minutes time frame, but I think the whole move it's also in alignment with this. Now on the 15 minutes time frame, if I were to come here, just as I did here, it's most times you would miss it if you get to the 15 minutes time. So you see on the 15 minutes time frame, you would have almost missed it because price tapped into it with the wick. So, but for me, I got to mark the full. I got to use the 1 hour order block. So the 1 hour order block is clearer. Let's see the 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes order block, it's not the best because I always like to see continuous bearish candlestick order to the downside before taking my entry. So we don't have that here. So but we'll have it on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, you can see it's a continuous bearish move to the downside. So that's the same thing we're looking out for here, which is this zone. So I'm expecting price to get into this point, and then we calculate our risk. This will be what we are risking. Entry here, then maybe stop loss just a little bit below, and then we'll be targeting this high to be taken out. Now two things might happen. Price may get here, get to hit our stop loss and give us a continuation to the upside, but we highly expect that price doesn't do that, and this move might be coming up by evening. You get, so this is a 1:7.7. You get, so if you're risking $100 on this particular trade, you should be looking to make if you're risking $100 on this trade, you should be looking to make about a $700, almost an 800, so $777 thereabouts. So that's what you should be looking to get on this particular trade. So let's see how it plays out, and that'll be all for now, guys. Peace, one love.